how to transfer TikTok account to another phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your TikTok account to another phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you've just got a new phone and want to move your TikTok account, it's actually super easy. First, make sure you remember how you signed up, whether that was using an email, phone number, or through platforms like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now, on your new phone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the TikTok app. Once installed, open the app and tap Log In at the bottom of the screen. Now choose the option you originally used to sign in. For example, tap on Sign in with Google if your account is connected via Google like mine, if that's how you signed up. Enter your details and log in. Once you're in, your account will be fully transferred to the new device. If you want, you can now go back to your old phone, open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines at the top right, and scroll down to select Log Out. That's it. You've now successfully moved your TikTok account to another phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. That's all for the video.